must be one of those new Dysons or something, with no bags. So what we're gonna do is remove the flux capacitor right here. But man, I've never seen a vacuum do so well at sucking in all this dust. Wow. Oh, maybe this is the problem. The screw is loose. Damn, it's like ground zero here. Where the two thermal pads once stood. Why is everything I gotta do 9/11 related? It's a fucking conspiracy. But seriously, I mean, man, in all my history, I have never seen anything like this. Jesus. Worse than a vacuum. Or better. Insane. I mean, come on, people. I got this from a repair store for free. They're just giving it away because they're not gonna fix it. People just abandoned it. But I mean, you wonder why it doesn't work. You bring it in for repair. I don't understand. It's like bitches that don't check their oil. It's like, well, come on, man, know your stuff. Like, I don't know. Good thing it's not a backwards compatible one. That would make me cry. I got a few of those. They're in better shape than this. Damn. I mean, you wonder why it gets bricked. You don't take care of your fucking equipment. I still have my backwards compatible. It still freaking works. Because I take care of my shit. Like, why would you even take it in to get repaired? Why don't you just throw it in the garbage? Did you really think you could fix this? Well, I'm gonna try to fix it. See what happens. Not sure if this is a good idea. What time is it? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna see if this works. Whoops. Yeah, be careful not to touch this while it's hot, but it hasn't even gotten hot yet. I'm just going to warm it up a little, reset the board. Then we're going to take a hairdryer to these top ones because I don't have a heat gun. So I got lint in this too. Patrick! Lint. Okay, so I cleaned out the flux capacitor. Now we're going to put that back in. Like so. There we go. So we're going to see if it even works. Because I don't feel like putting thermal paste on, just wasting it. This thing's fucked beyond all belief. Alrighty. gonna do it again just for proof. Maybe it's working. So check it out. Green. And it stays fucking green. Alright, so I'm gonna put thermal paste on and turn this puppy on. I can hear the fan starting to turn. Okay, I turned it off. This is amazing. I fucking saved this thing. So I'm gonna put thermal paste on. Here we are. So I'm gonna put some of this Arctic Silver on. You don't need too much. That might be enough. More on the R side. Ah, crap, I did it backwards. I'll put more on this one. More on, that should be enough. Alright, now we're gonna spread it. Alright, for this part, we're gonna spread it with the card. And it has to be Visa. Can't be anything else. Visa is the only card you can use to spread your stuff. So I'm already pissed off at how I've started to spread this, but fuck it, I don't feel like filming this while I do it. So see you after I'm done with this. Alright, thermal paste applied on there. Now you put some in here. Like some square tits. Speaking of tits, these clamps are flatter than an underage Asian whore. Power. HDMI cable. Let's switch. We'll do that when it happens. Please work. Oh my goodness. Holy. No way. Oh, it's probably gonna get to 99. So I'm gonna have to research how to get around this again. I can't remember what I'm supposed to do when it stays at 99. Oh! Ho! Device is turned on, bitch. Holy cow. I'm amazed. I need a freaking controller. Where's the one that I used for that one? Friday the goddamn 13th. What time is it? 6:46. We'll put it 47 p.m. Boop. Alright, so we got all these people. Big D, that's me. Oh, I gotta actually choose one? Let's do Big D. Lego fucking Grand Theft Auto. See if other people have other stuff. I never have more than one user on my thing. Is it different? It is different, isn't it? Skate 3, Battlefield 3. Awesome. Let's see what the hell we're dealing with here. It's a 40 gig. Wow. And you have no space left on it. 40 gigs. Fuck that. Because even then, it's not even 40 gigs. It's more like 30. Damn. Cool. Alright. Well, it's been real. 6:45. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to let this run for half an hour. This thing just really... I love this thing now. It's my baby.